So I'm going to cut you off because the next day, you know, the video drop with the man spread up on the table and I eat your pussy. That's why you know, say you violate. Me tell you, don't do it. Don't keep in a party. And you as a young girl, young artist, I come up and you have that. That's why I cut you off. Let's clear up this. Because I know enough people over here ready for screen record. And when people over me see not type all these things from night. All right? First thing first, Mackerel, me not gonna do no video and disrespect you. So
what happened? Something happened?
Yeah, the video. Again, yeah. She put something to the on her YouTube page at about the true story or me use her, she not get none of her song them and whatever the case might be. I'm not gonna answer them more. So understand? But as I say, I don't know who boots up. You supposed to know.
No, you don't fuck it, you know.
Come on, listen, man. And she say, people, I never see lava yet. Maybe been telling people something never see it.
Yeah, that's true.
And I'm a look out for you 100%. With all of my heart. I look out for you 100%. Every money when we charge promoter, you know, I be know. And yeah, say, you never know when you come to manager. You have a signed contract and either go 40, 60 or 50, 50. If it is so be the case, we'd have to collect money from you. And you know I never collect a dollar from you. Never. Everything we do for song, me pay it out of my pocket. I mean never try to violate you. Whole heap of time them try to run joke over here or anywhere, boy you, and I never follow it up. You get where I come from? Every money where you get, you know, me save some, you save some. Where they are yard, in a bank account you have all 300,000. And everything just blow away.
So that's a Mackerel that go and make money, man.
Yeah. I was there. And I never take a dollar from you. Never.
But did you recruit what you put out?
I never.
You not even take back money for what you put out?
I never. And she know that.
You're a liar.
Come on, Sukuman.
Bro, relax, man.
Come on, Sukuman.
He's speaking on it, so we are making clear. We have to clear something. Yeah, I that. Never,
so you get to where I come from, and you can't know.
Interview got you.
Yeah, I say you're not getting the money off of your song. Your song never sell.
Yeah.
So if who are boots up, tell you if they know about music, tell them go check it. Okay? Are your Viva page, are the distributor, make a Viva page. Make artists tell about them, look at something there. Okay? Me give you every money. And you know that too. Okay? When song for mix and all kind of, I say, me never get a date for you yet, England can remember everything have to come through me. Me talk to the promoter, them, the contract send on, and everything take from this. So. Me after the phone the promoter, you're not leaving the hotel room until you get the rest of your money. Me do all of that. I never try to violate you. Okay? And yeah, I say, the thing happen at your party, I say, me tell you, son, if I keep the party. I remember like it happened last night. Me have a look of money left back for you, and Corona just come out. I say, want the money to keep the party. I say, Mackerel, don't keep the party because Corona come out. I want to know what will happen. I say, you still want the money. I'm sending you money, last set of money I have for you. Because you keep track of everything. You understand me? And when the day of your birthday, I post you, and I call you, tell you happy birthday. In the night now, round like about after 10, me not hear for you after that. So I call you. Where you going with? Me hear like you out of room. I say, where you there? You say, road. I say, where you tell you to call me? I think it's the next the other day, what the case might be. Me see a picture come out, you lie down on the bed, lie down on one bed, you have one black eye foot, but I'm dirty. I call you.
That's so
Well, yeah, I call you and say, From your manager until now, me keep on tell you, say, check your picture them before you post your picture them. Or your football time, sorry. La, I'm in a business. And then me say, I wind up yourself at the pool with one different song. Then me say, oh, you keep party. You keep party, you say, yeah, you keep something. And you dance for one different song. Me say, whenever go on to want to hear a song, did the selector play a song? You said no. Me say, did the song play? She said no. Me say, oh, come to the party and hear a song to play. Then lava, then everybody not know it. I'm going to leave it right there, so. And the reason why I go and cut you off, because the next day, you know, the video drop with the man spread up on the table and I eat your pussy. That's why you know, say you violate. Me tell you, don't do it. Don't keep in a party. And you as a young girl, young artist, I come up and you have that. That's why I cut you off. I may never try to violate you. So don't make nobody boots you for do nothing yet. Okay? I'm a deed, nobody way back up and now go deed like I did you. And if you remember when me meet you, me don't name love already. You have 80 followers per your page. Remember, you are internet sensation right there and then, so your page I got at. So if you make people know me, so nobody not really paying no mind now. Check the levels. All right? Big up yourself. I wish you all the best. I not disrespect you. So even if tomorrow you make one video, I not gonna answer you. We know is no. Remember, every management or manager artist get 40% of their money. I never take $1 from you. Okay? Simple. Love. Big up. Talk well.
Oh, so I'm going to cover but take out every Mackerel and dash in a garbage.
My other tell people they because something there.
So you know he's a real bumble though.
Me's a bumble.
He's a real bumble dog. What's it? What does like Mackerel then?
So the brother with green here. Okay.
Everything, everybody know me ever thought this.
No. Everything you say, you can't know another lie. Everything you say, you say exactly how you always say.
Yeah. So I know what way make people tell if I do them because something there. What the kid. It don't make no sense. Cause I never disrespect you before.
Well, maybe it's a way for she come back in a youth. So you know them thing they go call her name. Show a call and call her name. But sometimes if you do that, you have to do that. It's necessary for play your name on certain things too. See me? And otherwise I can't say, yo, fuck it, man, I say nothing. Sometimes you have to say something.
This art one me have from my head is not my art. See there? The beads. It's a lava art this from about 2 years ago. And the hot sour. You need to give me a different color right now. Come
So it's the hot sour. What's that saying about you? What that say about you? It's the hot sour.
No, not smelling wise. Like, me tired for weird. This hot smell good.
It don't say sour already, dog.
Why is it sour?
No,
why you sour?
Weird. Me just tired for weird, but it bad still. You see me, it have a little summer look, summer vibe. You see me, so you need to just create some more colors, do the right thing.
Sour. Can't get over the man says sour.
You would have most of emphasized on that, right?
Did I use it, brother? You know, every kid thing entourage. If I meet this, that, you know, you have a field day, man.
Yeah, real talk.
All right.
I done Ali. I took a free
you see how stupid is cook when you're out?
No.
Somebody say you like sour.
Anti-spice. I have blue ear sour.
Rascal. Oh,
Anti-spice. You're going to sleep in the attic tonight.
A new week today.
No, my friend.
Morning,
no, man, a couple days on my friend at.
No, you come over here on a new week today.
Anti-spice. Where Fashion Dread take off himself for some stuff.
I didn't know who it was at first. I'm saying, who this a come on?
Blood clot, you change the color now. You make spice come out of blue hair and got a black hair now. You know, wear it well.
The man named Atras.
We are talking about black hair, you
Atras,
blind?
Atras, right now, Atras fingernail dirty. You know, when they in the saddle.
Oh, who for fingernail dirty?
Let me see your nails
No,
if it do.
you mad?
Let me see your nails if it do,
No,
because your nails
no.
always do not
My
anti-spice.
nails them dirty?
Every
Yes,
weekend,
we
man,
don't
do
know
me nail.
anti-spice. Let me see your nails to the anti-spice.
You ever see my nails them dirty?